Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today recipes we are going to be making garden egg soup, and here are my ingredients we are going to be used to prepare this delicious garden egg soup. So I hope you guys will like it. As you can see, I already cooked my meat. I have everything I need here in my meat. So guys, we are going to start now by slicing my garden egg in small parts so that I can able to blend it in the blender. So after that I will be cutting. So just stay tuned and watch. And I want to use this video to thank my old and new subscriber. And if today is your first time, do subscribe and share and like. And press that notification bell so that whenever I upload any video you will be the first to notify. So guys, thank you all so much. Here is my 4 garden egg. So if you can remove the back, it's okay. If you don't want to remove the back, it's exceptional guys. So for me, I'm going to cut all of them. I'm not going to remove the peel, okay, the pear. So I'm going to blend the pear together, okay guys. Keep watching and stay tuned. See you on my next video, okay? So guys, as you can see, I am just done in cutting my garden egg. So the next thing I will do, I'm going to put it in the fire to parboil, and after that I'm going to blend it a little bit guys, okay guys. So I'm about to fry my meat and my fish, okay guys. So guys, you can see I'm finished frying my meat. So I'm about to fry my medusa. You can see I'm about to fry my fish. So my mama, I'm not going to fry it. Fry fish now guys. Hello guys, as you can see I finished boiling my garden egg. So I'm going to blend it little so that I can start the cooking. This is bangas and garden egg soup. Garden egg soup, wow. Egg soup. This is what my mother-in-law used to make for me when I went out to visit her. The day he prepared this garden egg soup for me, God, I said, wow, I've never seen this before. The way she do it, God, I was so so sweet, so delicious. So I want to make it the way she do it in Africa. So this is what I'm doing now. Garden egg soup guys. So I like it. After this, you're going to make cardamom or curry to swallow it. Thank you. I keep watching. As you can see. So I'm going to put my banga in the pot now guys. Actually, I was wanted to use palm oil before, so I decided to use banga to make it. You can see. So guys, we'll be adding my tomatoes. You can see. I'll put in my crayfish. I see my fish in the pot. So guys, I'm going to add my garlic egg. You can see I just add my garlic egg. So I'm going to stir it. I'll be adding my fish and my meat. So guys, just add my meat and my fried momo. So I now add my fish also. I'm done with the garlic egg soup, and this is the outcome of it, guys. So bring your chair and let's eat and yum together, guys. Okay. Wow, this is so yummy, yummy. Thank you. Keep watching. See you on this video. Bye bye. Wow. So guys, let's eat. This is the outcome of this my garlic egg soup. Join me. Let's eat.
You don't laugh finish, you just want the wrong goal. No, now press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button, press am to subscribe. Now yeah, press that bell, that school bell, press am to the get our notification. Now you feel the go. Thank you.